Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we transplant our broccoli seeds from a germination test to the garden pot. Here's a clip from the show. All right, our next little project here is our broccoli. Remember last week we took the broccoli, put it in the paper towels, and started to germinate it. And this particular broccoli, this is one called Pac-Man, and these are some very old seeds. And as you can see, some of them have germinated. I think there'll be some more that will germinate. So I'm going to keep them in this moist paper towel and see if we can get a few more coming in this one. The next one, this is one called Gypsy. And as you can see, we've got really good germination on that. So these are the seeds that the mice were eating, and they were stopping me from growing any broccoli, and that was just not okay. So I have been asked in the past if you can plant the plants that you germinate test in your paper towels, and absolutely you can. So what I got here is, this is a tray of 32 pots, 2-inch pots, and I put potting soil in it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these one by one. See if I can pick these up. Take these and very gently get that root down in that pot. This is a very tedious job, which is why I don't normally do it this way, but the mouse is forcing the issue, so I'm going to go ahead and get that in. And now these are going to stay in the greenhouse where I can keep them protected for a little bit longer. And hopefully we'll have a whole tray of broccoli. Now, normally you don't need a whole tray of broccoli, but I got a CSA to fill, and so we need a lot of broccoli for that. So we are going to grow probably 60 plants of this throughout the summer. So anyway, so this is how you would transplant that, and then I'm going to water this super gently so I don't disturb these. And then I can keep these growing in the paper towel a little bit longer if I want to get more of the seeds to germinate. But I'm really pleased with what I'm seeing here, and it's fun to get these planted. So I will finish the rest of this tray and then get it soaked down. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week -1. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.